I'm Denise Anderson. I grew up in Massachusetts. I spent a good part of my life in the military and found myself semi-retired and wanting and needing something else to do. I saw the NRVTA advertised on YouTube, on Facebook, and I thought that is exactly what I want. It would be hands-on experience learning how to fix my RV. I've gone through about 4 weeks of classes so far. It's been super awesome. I've had all kinds of hands-on experience troubleshooting refrigerators and air conditioners and heaters and learning not only how they work, but how they're installed in the rigs, how to pull them out, how to actually work on these. My goal has been to become a certified RV technician and also to be a certified inspector. And my plan is to go back to Vermont. My community there needs an RV technician in a bad way. So I highly recommend coming to the NRVTA. The value in the training that you get when you come here is immeasurable and will absolutely help jumpstart your next career and the freedom that you are looking for.